Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Let us thank the Lord for gathering us in this beautiful Monday afternoon. And we are now on the 6th week in Ordinary Time, Monday. And our readings today, particularly the Gospel, contrary to the first reading na napakahaba, napakaikli lang po ng ating Gospel for today from St. Mark. Whenever you watch YouTube videos and read Facebook feeds, you are often shown information which agrees to your tastes and opinions. And as a result, pre-programmed algorithms embedded in internet platforms. These cyber machines automatically filter and show you only what it thinks you want to see. This computer behavior mirrors a human behavior, which psychologists call confirmation bias. Our tendency to interpret information which confirms our pre-existing beliefs and opinions. This one-sided thinking prefers one possibility and ignores alternatives. If your mind is set on one direction, it will be almost impossible to convince you of something different. My dear brothers and sisters, this narrow-mindedness was perhaps the reason why Jesus did not give the Pharisees a sign from heaven, mentioned in our gospel for today. Because no matter what sign he gave them, they would not have recognized and believed it anyway, because of their stubbornness and hardness of heart. The request for a sign actually happened after Jesus miraculously fed 4,000 people. But the Pharisees were not capable of perceiving the meaning of the multiplication of the loaves. Today, we often look for miraculous signs such as moving statues, revolutions of the sun, or some other spectacular display of God's power to strengthen our faith. Our weak faith makes us ask for signs and wonders. Ultimately, we see what we want to see when we are ready to see it. Miracles occur all around us, but we pay little attention to them because our mind is not focused on spiritual things. My dear brothers and sisters, the absence of sign is itself the sign. The presence of God is paradoxically known through His very absence. God is like the sun. When we not think about Him often, but we are sure would notice if He suddenly went missing. Let us take time to notice the wonders of God around us. And you will realize that His absence is itself a sign that we are looking for.